Alright, what's up there people? Hunter Spoke Riders here. And this video is going to be about, what year is this Camaro?
2016.
2016 Camaro SS. Now, what's happening here, even though we're halfway through it, is changing the cabin air filter. I already pulled the old one out. There's the old one, a little dusty. Definitely time for a new cabin air filter. From what I can tell, the hardest part about this job is getting that little glove box and these little tabs out right here. Now, before we were scared and using plastic stuff because we didn't want to break anything, but yeah, that's no good. Don't use that. Don't use that. Don't even waste your time. What ended up doing the job is this metal one right here. What I believe happened is because the metal has no flex in it like the plastic, it bends that plastic just enough to get in there. Here, let me get in there and show them real close real quick.
Yeah, we gotta go get you got a bungee cord?
Yeah, it's in there in the garage somewhere. Now, you see how this is? Oh, let me turn the light on for you. There we go. The key is prying them out. Now, this is a very sketchy job right here to pry these things out of here. But all you gotta do once it's in there, I'm not gonna put it back together because he'd be mad. He'll be pissed if I put this back on there because we barely got it out. But basically, you just use this metal pry bar right here and just pry it out as hard as you can. Well, not as hard as you can, but you know, pry it and pull it down at the same time. That's the hardest part, man. It's gonna feel like you're breaking it, especially if you got a newer Camaro. You don't want to tear it up, but that's what you gotta do to get that cabin air filter out of there. Then it has this little piece in here. Somehow I'll get a close up of him putting it all back in there. I'll make sure to get that how it all goes back in there. But man, this was super sketchy. Just getting this glove box to this point. But this right here is the key, man. The metal pry bar. Although everything tells you never use a metal pry bar on plastic, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Now the dealership will try to charge you $80 to do this, but I'm not sure how much he paid for the filter, but I know it's gonna be a lot cheaper than $80. So that's where we're at with it now. And now he's looking for a bungee cord for some reason. So I'll get back to you.
Hold on, I'll let him go ahead.
What's the bungee cord for?
Bungee cord is because this little cable here is like a dampener for the glove box.
Yeah.
If it's stuck up there, you put it back up there, you ain't be able to pull it down.
Okay.
So you hook the bungee cord to it and pull it down right here like this. When you go put the box back up, it'll be right there. You just hook it back into that hole right there.
Oh, that goes in that hole?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So, gotta find the bungee cord first.
All right. So we find the bungee cord, we'll get back to you. All right. Now we're gonna see what he's gonna do with this bungee cord.
Bungee cord right here.
Okay, here's the bungee cord.
Hook it around.
I'll move your hand. Your left hand.
Let me hook this up first.
Oh.
It's a hoop right there.
Hold on, I can't see.
See the hoop?
No, your hand's in the way. Okay, I see.
There's a hoop right there.
Yeah.
So you leave it there, just like that, dangling. So then when you get ready to lift the box up, you can pull this up.
Oh, you
push
pull it
everything
back
back in and pull it back out.
Okay. And what's that thing do again?
What's that?
That little piece.
This is the dampener, so it won't just be like flopping, like boom.
Oh, okay.
It'll go down kind of slow.
Okay, I see what you're saying. That's that new car stuff right here, bro. I remember I used to have a car where you open the glove box, the whole everything just fall out. It looked just like that. Boom, 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 all fall on the ground. That's some old school stuff. Whatever.
Yeah,
and we're gonna show you putting back in the new one since he was too eager beaver to get the old one out.
I had to look at this old one. Yeah, it's kind of 2016, been changed since then. Car ain't got but 40,000 miles on it, so it ain't bad.
The air's on the dust, you know.
Yeah,
so
it's a killer. So then, new one, this thing probably ain't cost me no more than maybe $10, if that, six to $10.
Yeah, and they want 80 at the dealership.
They want $80 at the dealership.
Everything is $80 at the dealership.
I was like, nah, they can have all of that. Instructions, you know how we feel about that. All right, now,
Oh, this is, hold on. This is the model number. In case y'all looking
Man,
for.
we ain't getting no money off there, man. We get that. So
They might need the model number.
No, they don't need that. They can look it up. They can go there themselves.
Google it, huh?
Yeah, Google that stuff. All right, so the actual compartment is down up underneath there.
Oh, man, hold on. Let me get all up in there. All right.
They ain't go no further, Brandon.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, what's that little white thing up there? A little airbag or something?
No, I don't know, man.
Oh, okay.
Just don't hit it. Won't bust my face open. This the thing that go on top of it, the little cover. The little tabs you pinch, it'll pop out. So basically, just put the air filter back in.
Oh, hold on, air pretty dirty already. What's that black stuff on there?
Man, that's the manufacturer stuff. You know, they be cutting and burning and stuff, right? Slide this back up there. Yeah, slide that back on up in there, like so.
Alright.
And don't. I feel like it's flush. It really ain't flush. It's gonna be crushed up in there. I ain't going through this no time soon. Now you can't get your little scented downy sheets or whatever.
You ain't gonna spray no cool water on there?
Nah, forget that all that.
Spray no Versace cologne on there?
Nobody 12 no more, 16 years old right here in these streets.
We got some dryer sheets you throw up in there.
Yeah, you can do that, or you can, spray your little cologne on a little paper towel, handkerchief, or something, throw it up there.
I don't know about that. Those dryer sheets. Mess around, whole dashboard catch on fire. Talking about for the ladies, you better have a hot one for real, huh? The lady gonna be real hot in that passenger seat, boy. The flame get to jumping.
Yeah, because I'm gonna leave my ass. You got around me, boy.
So they're on there. I ain't hear nothing snapping, so it's on there.
I hope so. Stupid.
Oh no! See, loosey, boy, about to fall on.
There's a little play.
You sure it's the right one, boy? They might shamboozle you.
You mean what?
You better compare it to the old one. We'll pull that mug out again and make sure it's the same size.
You know, old aftermarket stuff ain't gonna be. Yeah. Centimeter or two off, but you know how they do. I know you're probably gonna chop that up.
Gotta be like salt and pepper and just push it, huh?
You know it.
Okay, is it perfectly square or can you turn it the other way?
No, you can't turn it the other way.
Alright.
Man, didn't you just hear me tell the folks you gotta put it in the way you took it out?
I don't know, boy. You so giant the money taking it out. I don't know how it was in there. You might just push it in with the power of Grayskull or something, boy. Get that He-Man on there.
Because the sharp ain't snapping up top here.
People, if you think this is a struggle, you should have seen the struggle trying to get this glove box open, bro.
Yeah, that was out there in Harbor. You know what? That might be it, bro. Alright.
It's in there. Oh. There you go. It's in there.
What's that old commercial? Old food commercial. I said, gravy or something. It's in there. Put this on down here like this. Like this up here like this here. Where the other little prop are?
Oh man, I don't know what I did with it. You should just be able to push it with the.
There we go.
There it is.
Like a pop of champagne.
And it's in there. Getting it in is a lot harder. Taking it out.
Taking it out is a lot harder than getting it in there.
All right, the real question is, now that you got it out of there, or now that you got it all back together, You gonna pop it back off real quick to show the people, recreate the struggle?
Man, what? Look, we showed them what they need now. On average difficulty level, should be about a 2. But because we, I never did this before.
First time, or first time.
First time, you're gonna have your little pitfalls and stuff. Oh, there's no tab gotta go.
Hold on. Let me pause. I gotta go to the other side. Hold on.
Yeah, can you see how it's angled?
All right.
The shape of it.
Oh, you can't do it with one hand, bro? I can't see nothing now.
I'm gonna get it right so I can. I can't turn it. Turn it. Or maybe if I use it like I'm supposed to, that might work, huh?
Does it just pop right in there?
Yes, and it goes straight to this hole right here. There you go. Like a pickpocket.
There it is. Just pops right in there, magically. Bada boom, bada bing, and you're done.
And you'll see when you open it up.
Oh yeah, it's nice and slow. But that's that new car stuff, bro. That's that new car stuff. And there you have it, people. That's how you change the cabin filter in the 2016 Camaro SS.
That's how you put that $80 in your gas tank.
Yeah, you put spend 10, so giving the dealership 80, you spend your 10 on the filter and put 70 in the gas tank. There you go. Hunchbuck Riders signing out.